Malaos ko po. I'm Paul, and welcome to the Pinatubo Museum. Here is a detailed timeline of Pinatubo, of course from its birth and up to its previous explosion. 15 to 10 million years ago, Pinatubo was created by, of course, the Manila Trench drowning under the mantle of the Earth, which caused magma to go up to the Earth's crust.
Malaos ko po. Ako po ay Amira Alexa L. Matias, and today we are here at the archival collection here at the Center for Kapampangan Studies. Now, just to reiterate what has been written here, this section hosts original paper documents, manuscripts, rare books, photographs, written records,